This is a highly efficient and environmentally friendly celestine production line. The process flow consists of crushing, screening, jigging and dewatering. The crushing section is equipped with jaw crushers, fine jaw crushers, and roller crushers for efficient crushing. The crushed material is screened by vibrating screens into 0 to 8 mm and 8+ fractions. The 8+ fraction is returned to the roller crusher for secondary crushing, while the 0 to 8 mm fraction enters a trapezoidal jigging machine for separation. The jig tailings are discharged from the top and dewatered. The jig concentrate is discharged from the bottom and dewatered by a dewatering screen before being stockpiled. This production line offers the advantages of low investment, simple operation, and easy maintenance, and has been well received by our customers.